Hey guys, today I invited a special guest to do a cool challenge with me. Hey guys, did you guess who he is? If not, come out. He's my brother Neve. And today I'm gonna do a challenge with him with the new drone I had. If you can see it right there. Right down there. And yeah, I'm gonna do a challenge with him to see who to see who's better, and you guys can decide in the comments down below. Okay, so here we go. So let's get started. So he's gonna be driving he's gonna drive the drone, and he's gonna do a couple of cool little tricks. And yeah, and then I'll do it, and then you guys can vote and decide in the comments down below. Hashtag Parth the best, or hashtag Neve, Neve the droner. Okay, so here we go. Right now, let's start, and hold on. 3. Start your engines, and lift off. Don't go too high. Okay, so he's just doing a cool trick where he's just sliding around. He's just gliding. And he crash landed, but it was kind of good. Okay, so what do you call your first trick?
Hover around the ground.
Okay, so as you guys heard, hover around the ground. So here we go. Next trick in 3, 2, and 1, go. What do you call that one?
Landing in the cabinet.
Landing in the cabinet, okay. And here we go. Next trick in 3, 2, and 1, go.
Game over.
What do you call that one?
Game over.
Okay, as you guys heard it, he called it game over just as you guys saw it. So I'll be back with me controlling the drone. Hey guys, I'm back. It's me here, Parth. And let's see. I'll do three cool tricks, and you guys can decide down below in the comments. So here we go. Let's start the engines. And here we go. Ready? I'm gonna center this thing. Backflip. And I call that one the backflip. The drone backflip. So, but I'm going to do another cool trick. It involves 2 flips this time. So let me just put this right here and make a flip. And let me just do this again. I call that one the dual flip. And let me see. This trick is going to be quite long, and it's going to be quite amusing too. So here we go. Backflip, front flip, side flip, and right flip. And here we go. What do you know? Perfect landing. I call that one the quad flip. So those are my 3 tricks. So vote down below in the comments. And yeah, so I'm gonna be switching over to Neve. So hey guys, I'm back with the camera. And this time we're gonna do something a little bit different. It's kind of like a trick, but it's not. All it is just him gonna go up into the sky, like air, and then he's gonna do like one of those plane landing things. Like it's gonna go. Ready? Here we go. And so yeah, so let's get started with that. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Lift off. Go higher. That was a bit of a crash landing, but what do you call that one?
The plane landing.
Okay guys, it's me, my knee's holding the camera, and he's controlling it, and I'm going to be driving the drone right here. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. Let's see if I can do better. And bow down. So, that one was a bit better. It was a bit cooler. And let's see if I can go backwards with that. Oh, I just thought of something really cool to do. And here we go. So here it is. Backflip, and then here we go. Boom. Well, that was a fail. And, well, at least I did a couple of flips, and that's all that matters for this. And, yeah, so I'm going to hand it over to my brother Need, and here we go. Pause. Hey guys, I'm back. And now this time I'm going first, okay? And so this one, I'm going to try to land on that block of wood over there, the desk thing. And, yeah, I'm going to do a cool trick while doing a wall landing, so here we go. Wah, wah. And here we go. Boom. Look at that trick. It's bouncing on the floor and the wood. Look at that. And let me just fix that. And here we go. Boom. Look at that. And here we go. So I'm going to switch over to Knee. Now he's going to try to land on that dot over there, on the rug. If you can see that dot right there, the middle one. He's on the first one, he's going to land on the second one, and then land on the third. And then we'll see. Here we go. Well, that's a bit off, but okay, you guys decide on that. Should we give it to him or no? And now let's go on to the third dot. That's way off, so he doesn't deserve that one. Let's see if we can redo it. Nope, he just crashed. He landed in front of the dot now. And, well, he just drained the battery out. And I'll be back when I change the battery, and it'll be me controlling. So guys, I'm controlling the drone now, and I just changed the battery. And so here we go. I'm on the first dot, and I'm going to land to the second one. And here we go. Boom, perfectly on the dot. I'll bring it straight up, and then you guys can decide. And oh, hold on. Let's re-land it. It's perfectly on the dot again. But this one doesn't count. The first one did. And let me just drive it over to the third dot, and you guys can decide. Oh, look at those tricks. That was perfect, and it brought me straight to the dot. No, it won't go down. Perfect on the dot, look at that. I get 10 stars just for that dot. 10 points, 10 out of 10. That was the perfect dot ever. My brother couldn't do this. And so, I'm just gonna re-land everywhere. Let me just land on the third dot, the first dot. Boom, look at that, perfectly right there. I'll just do a couple of flips for you, and then, here we go. Back flip. Side flip. Uh-oh. Back flip again. Front flip. And side flip. So here we go. That was my last trick that I was gonna do, and I'm gonna switch it over to my brother, and let's see what his final trick is, and yeah, then we'll end the video. Okay guys, my brother controlling, and let's go into the final trick, and then we'll conclude the video. And here we go, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. A bit too high. Oh, look at those. Look at those tricks. Just swaying across the room. I can feel the air from the drone all the way over here. Oh, it looks like he's trying to land on the third dot again. And that was a crash landing. So, what do you know? So, this was a fun video for me. And yeah, so my brother even had fun. So, yeah, so comment down below if you like this video. And comment down below who do you think won? And like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And I think my brother has something to say.
I call this trick Ring Around the Rosie.
So as you heard it, which one was the best trick for him, and which one was the best trick for me? Comment down below. And see you next time, guys. Later.